to our journey towards holistic wellness through the transformative power of the ketogenic diet. Join us as we dive into the world of keto, where delicious meals, nourishing fats, and boundless energy await. Get ready to embark on a path to optimal health and vitality. Introduction to Keto Diet. The ketogenic diet emphasizes low-carb, high-fat eating to shift your body into a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. By prioritizing healthy fats, proteins, and low-carb vegetables, the keto diet can not only aid in weight loss but also enhance overall wellness. Preparation of keto-friendly meals. Let's get cooking with some keto-friendly recipes that will tantalize your taste buds and nourish your body. From creamy avocado salads to sizzling buttery steaks, the keto diet offers a wide array of delicious options to satisfy your cravings while keeping you in ketosis. Benefits of the keto diet. Embracing the ketogenic lifestyle can bring a host of benefits beyond weight loss. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, reducing inflammation, and increasing mental clarity, the keto diet can support increased energy levels, improved focus, and overall well-being. Tips for success. To thrive on the keto diet, it's essential to stay hydrated, prioritize nutrient-dense foods, and listen to your body's signals. Experiment with different recipes, incorporate quality fats like avocados and olive oil, and remember that balance is key to long-term success on your wellness journey. As you dive into the world of keto for overall wellness, remember that every journey is unique. Listen to your body, nourish it with wholesome foods, and celebrate the progress you make towards a healthier, happier you. Here's to embracing the transformative power of the keto diet and unlocking a life of vitality and well-being. Remember now to let your food be your medicine, and your medicine, your food. Enjoy your journey towards holistic wellness through the transformative power of the ketogenic diet.